We are one of 4 locations. Our flagship location is down in Chicago. Then we also have a location in Gurnee and also Lakeville, Illinois. It's a place to be. Every single night on the weekends, that is, we have a long wait list of people trying to get in, and we're stock full of reservations on a regular basis. So it is definitely a place to come out and be seen and have a good time. So the patio here was constructed over the winter months, early spring, and we opened up Memorial Day weekend of this current year. It has increased our capacity for seating with another additional 18 seats. We can fit 67 people out here, and it is something that we're going to be able to use almost all year round. Those very cold winters in Illinois might be a little bit tougher, but it has definitely caused a lot of increased business and definitely improved our ability to serve our customers. We did use a forced air gas heater at one point when we had a tent over this area. However, it was loud, very, very loud. The winds were very, blowing on you and everything like that from that heater, while these are a little bit more radiant heat, and it keeps everyone kind of nice without blowing everything off their dinner table. So it's a much larger improvement. I will say that if you've ever been out in 10-degree winter in Illinois, it is very, very, very cold and very windy. And I will say that the heaters are going to be able to keep us and all my customers very, very, very warm during those cold winter months, which is a huge benefit for us. Last night, actually, we were out here and we had the heaters going, and people were able to be out here even though it was down in the low 40s. Able to have people out here comfortable, just sitting here in t-shirts, and that's something that we couldn't do before. When this was an open air area and without the heaters, we could not seat that kind of people out here without coats and that kind of stuff. They looked like they were up like in the tundra at the time, so definitely a different change. We have a dial, so we can dial it in on all of these units based upon our sections. So if we're only using the back area, we can dial it in on that back area, the front area. It's a huge benefit for us to be able to kind of control each individual climate. We will be able to seat out here a lot farther into the year, and that just means more open menus means more dollars for the company, and that is a huge thing for us. I would absolutely recommend if you're looking at getting these heaters on your establishment.